Antibody and T cells can cause tissue damage in autoimmune disease. Tissue injury in autoimmune disease results because the self-antigen is an intrinsic component of the body and, consequently, the effector mechanisms of the immune system are directed at the body's own tissues. Also, because the adaptive immune response is incapable of removing the offending autoantigen from the body, the immune response persists, and there is a constant supply of new autoantigen which amplifies the response. An important exception to this rule is type 1 insulin-dependent diabetes mellitus, in which the autoimmune response destroys the target organ completely. This leads to a failure to produce insulin, one of the major autoantigens in this disease. Lack of insulin is in turn responsible for the phenotype of diabetes mellitus. The mechanisms of tissue injury and autoimmunity can be classified according to the scheme adopted for hypersensitivity reactions. As with the hypersensitivity reactions, tissue damage can be mediated by the effector actions of both T cells and B cells. The antigen or group of antigens against which the autoimmune response is directed and the mechanism by which the antigen-bearing tissue is damaged together determine the pathology and clinical expression of the disease. Autoimmune diseases differ from hypersensitivity responses in that type 1 immunoglobulin E-mediated responses do not seem to have a major role. Immunoglobulin E autoantibodies have, however, been found in autoimmune disease, and although there is no proof that they mediate any autoimmune disease, there are diseases where this may be so. For example, asthma and eosinophilia are found in a rare autoimmune vasculitis, an inflammatory disease of blood vessels that is known as Churg-Strauss vasculitis. And that's antibody and T cells can cause tissue damage in autoimmune disease. Have a great day.